Hi guys and welcome back in Medical Scribe. This video is the 12th video in the introduction to anatomy series. Today we will talk about the anatomical sections. In the previous video we talked about the anatomical planes, which we said that it's 4 planes, and we talked almost everything regarding these planes. Today we have to know that how we will use these planes and how it will help us. So, in this video we will know that the anatomical planes used mainly to describe the anatomical sections. And the section mean a slice with a specific thickness that obtained either by radiologic imaging like CT scan to visualize the internal structures, or obtained by a real slice through the body. And we have 3 types or 3 forms of sections, which are the longitudinal sections, the transverse sections, and the oblique sections. And now we will talk about each one of them. The first type is the longitudinal section. This section run or obtained longitudinally, or parallel to the long axis of the body. And not just the body, it may obtain through the body or through the structure. That means the section either be parallel to the long axis of the body or parallel to the long axis of the specific structure. And we commonly obtain these sections in the median plane, or in the sagittal plane, or in the frontal plane. That's what are common. But we have a free range in having sections of about 180 degrees longitudinally through the body. So, this is the longitudinal section. The second section is the transverse section, or cross section. These sections obtained through the body at right angle or 90 degrees to the long axis of the body. And as we said, not just the body, it may through the body or through the structures. So, in general, we will get this section in a horizontal way. Alright? Good. But we have a little exception that we should keep in our mind, which is that the longitudinal axis of the foot run horizontally. That means if we want to take a horizontal section of the foot, we will obtain it longitudinally. Or the transverse section of the foot will be in the frontal plane. So, the cross sections of the foot obtained longitudinally, while the longitudinal sections obtained horizontally. That's because the long axis of the foot run horizontally. Alright? Okay. The last type we have is the oblique section. This type, to make it easy for you, we can say that all other sections that don't fit with the longitudinal sections or with the transverse sections. That means it doesn't fit to the long axis of the body or structure, and also it doesn't fit to be in a right angle with the long axis of the body or the structure. So this is the anatomical sections in the human body. And that's it. I hope what I said makes sense. See you next video, and goodbye.